of the following rational numbers are greater? Here they have given two rational numbers, 3 by minus 7 and next one is 1 by 7. Which is greater than this one? Other one. That we have to say here. Either 3 by 7 is greater or 1 by 7. Which one is greater? So that we have to decide. So already, so first what is the step here? Here we are not comparing with 0. Here we are comparing two rational numbers. So first step is convert denominators into positive denominators. So what you have to do, already we have here 1 by 7, that is a positive denominator only, but 3 by minus 7 is not a positive denominator. So convert that one and multiply with minus 1. So it will be converted into plus. See, here nothing is there, before 3 means plus is there. So minus into plus into minus will be minus, 3 into 1 3, and after that here minus into minus will be plus, 7 into 1 will be 7. So this is minus 3 by this is converted into plus positive denominator. Now compare this one. So what you have now, 3 by minus 3 by 7 and 1 by 7. So among these two, observe the denominators. Denominators are same here. So here denominators are same. That time what you have to do? You have to compare numerators. So compare numerators. What are the numerators here? Minus 3. So by comparing the numerators here, minus 3. So in minus 3 and 1, which one is greater? Minus 3. Always positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So automatically what we can say, 1 by 7 is greater than the other. So among the given two rational numbers, 1 by 7 is greater one. Okay. Greater rational number. Greater rational number. Understood? Good. In this problem, here also we have. So here we are not comparing with 0. We are comparing two rational numbers. And the first step is we have to always we have to look at the positive denominators. Here both are positive only, and that too same denominators. That time what you have to do? So we have same denominator, so we can compare the numerators. Okay. Same denominator. So compare numerators. So compare numerators. So among 7 and minus 9, which is the greater one? So 7 is greater than minus 9. Always positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Therefore, rational number 7 by 10 is greater rational number. Okay. Now see, so what comes, if we compare this one with 0? 0 or minus 3 by 4. So we compare with 0. Always negative numbers are less than 0 only. That means 0 is greater than every negative number. So what we can say here? 0 is greater rational number. Why? Because negatives are always less than 0. Okay. Now see, fifth one. 1 by 12 or 0. From this what we can observe? Always positive numbers are greater than 0. So what we can say? 1 by 12 is greater rational number. Now see. So here if you observe this one, minus 13 by 5 or minus 4 we have. Okay. So minus 4 in the denominator I have written 1 means nothing is there. So I have written 1. Okay. So at this time 13 by 5, no need to change. So minus 4 by 1, we have to convert this one into denominator 5. So what you have to do, multiply with 5 in the numerator and denominator. It will be converted into minus 20 by 5. Okay, so now both rational numbers has converted to same denominator na. Now look for numerators. Which one is greater? Here we have minus 30 and minus 20. Among these two, which is the greater one? Smaller number with negative sign is greater than the next one. From this, what we can say, minus 20 is less than minus 30. So which is the greater one here? So from this, which is the greater one? Minus 13 by 5 is greater rational number. Greater rational number. Understood? Good. So here in this problem, first we have to check for positive denominator. Okay. So positive denominator. Here the problem is this one, 17 by minus 6 or minus 13 by 4. In these two, here we have negative denominator. So we have to convert this one into positive denominator. So 17 by minus 6 into multiply with minus 1. It will be converted into plus. Okay. So I have converted into positive denominator. Now these different, we have here different denominators. So go for LCM. Okay, write down. LCM of 6 and 4. You know now how to find out this LCM here. See, 6 comma 4 with 2 tables. See, 2 3s, 2 2. Again with 2, 3, 1. 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12. So LCM equal to 12. Now convert each and every denominator into equal LCM denominator. Okay, equal to LCM. So what happens here? 17 by, now see, so minus 17 by 6 we have to convert into LCM 12. So how much we have to multiply here? With 2. It will be converted into LCM denominator, LCM, that is 12, right? So what happens here? Minus 34 by 12. And the next one, which is the next one here? Minus 13 by 4. So this one also we have to convert the denominator into 12, that is LCM. So how much we have to multiply here? With 3. So multiply this one with 3. Now multiply this one with 3 here. So numerator and denominator, what you get here? So 13 3s minus 39 divided by 4 into 3, 12. So both denominators converted to LCM na, equal to LCM na now. So from these two fractions, denominators are same. So you can compare numerators. 34 by 12 and minus 39 by 12 among these two. Now compare by comparing numerators. By comparing numerators, what we can say, which is the greater one? Smaller number with negative sign, both are negatives only. So from these two, smaller number is which one? This one, 34. So smaller number with negative sign is the greater one. So minus 34 by 12 is greater rational number. Greater rational number. Understood? Good. See, fill in the blanks with greater than, equal to or less than. Okay. Now see. Minus 17 by 4, first one, minus 17 by 4 dash minus 15 by 4. So if you observe this one, here we are comparing two rational numbers, and after that what we have to do here, we are not comparing with 0, we are comparing with two rational numbers. So observe the denominators, both are positive only, and to That too we have same denominator. So directly we can compare the numerators. Okay, directly we can compare the numerators. Both are negatives only. So always, so 17 is first one. So minus 17. This is less than minus 15. So minus 17 is less than minus 15. The bigger number with the negative sign will be less than the other one. Okay. Now see the next one, 0 and minus 1 by minus 2. Here see, if we have same sign in the numerator and denominator, it will be cancelled and will be converted into plus. So 0 minus 1 by 2. And now see, 0 is less than 1 by 2 or greater than 1 by 2. Obviously always positive numbers are greater than 0. So this is 0 is less than 1 by 2. Now this, see this one. Here we have to do something here. See, minus 5 by 12, 7 by minus 16. Here if you observe this one, first we have to convert into positive denominator. We have to convert this one into positive denominator. After that we have to convert into same denominator. So we have to find out the LCM of 12 and 16 and then make the equivalent fractions. Okay, so first 5 by 12. So this is as it is, write down 7 by minus 16. So we have to convert this one, means multiply with minus 1. What you get here, minus 7 by 16. Okay, after converting into this one, what we have to do, find LCM of 12 comma 16. What is 12 comma 16 LCM here? With 4 3s, 4 4s. 4 3s, 4 1s. 4 4, 16, 16 3s are, their LCM is 48. Now, what we have to do here? Now we have to convert the fractions into like fractions. Okay, so one by one write down. Minus 5 by 12. We have to convert the denominator into 48. In 12th table, where you get 48? 4 times. So numerator also multiply with 4. What you get here? Minus 20 by 48. After this, calculating this one, we got these rational numbers here. Now what we have to do? Compare numerators. That is minus 20, and among these two, which is the greater one here? So minus 20 is greater than minus 21. Therefore minus 20 belongs to which fraction here? Minus 5 by 12. So minus 5 by 12 is greater rational number. So in the blank, how much we have to write here? So we have to give here greater than symbol. Understood? Minus 5 by 12 is greater than 7 by minus 16. Okay, good.